If you look at this card, you can see a king sitting confidently on a throne. He is holding a wand in one hand and a pentacle in the other. The wand shows power and action. The spear on top of the wand shows control and mastery. The pentacle shows money, stability, and real life success. You can also see a palace around him. This shows that he has already built his life, success, wealth, and stability are already there. The king is wearing armor. This shows he has worked hard, faced challenges, and protected what he has built. If you notice the throne closely, you can see bulls on all four sides of the seat. These bulls represent strength, stability, and a grounded nature. Around him, you can see greenery and grapes. This shows growth, abundance, and success over time. So, overall, this card is about success, stability, control, and long term security. For yes or no, if the card is upright, it is a strong yes. Things are stable and will work in your favor. If it is reversed, it shows imbalance or lack of control. For studies or career business, if upright, this shows success and a stable position. If you are working, it shows good income, respect, and growth. If you have a business, it shows profit and long term stability. If you are studying, it shows your efforts will lead to a secure future. If reversed, it shows problems with money or planning. You may make wrong decisions or feel out of control in your work. There can also be a strict or controlling boss. For love, if upright, this shows a stable and secure relationship. If you meet someone, they may be mature, responsible, and serious. If you are in a relationship, it shows long term commitment and support. If reversed, it shows control or imbalance. Someone may be too focused on money or power. There can be dominance or lack of emotional connection. For health, if upright, your health is stable and strong. It shows a good routine and balance. If reversed, it shows neglect. Too much focus on work or stress can affect your health. You need to take better care of your body. General guidance. If upright, focus on building long term stability. Be practical, responsible, and make wise decisions. If reversed, ask yourself, am I losing control somewhere? Am I focusing too much on money or ignoring other areas of life? Bring balance back. This card reminds you that true success comes from effort, control, and responsibility. Build it patiently, and it will stay strong for a long time.